Using what you have learnt about colour perspective, your task is to add colour and tints to this mountain scene. When you add white into a primary, secondary or tertiary colour, you create a tint. The mountains closest to the viewer should be much darker than the mountains in the distance. To make our mountains appear like they are getting lighter and lighter, you will need to add more white into your mixture at every stage. The mountains closest to the viewer will be a pure colour. To ensure the colour remains as intense and as saturated as it should be, you can apply the colour straight from the palette to the area you are trying to fill. With watercolours, avoid the temptation to paint over your existing paint strokes. Painting over your paint strokes makes areas darker. You want to avoid making the tone uneven in the areas you are trying to paint. When painting, the slower you move your brush, the more control you have over it. You have more control over the direction the brush stroke goes in, as well as how close to the edge you can get. If your paint is going over the lines, then you are probably painting too fast and need to slow down. The second level was Parisian blue mixed with white together in a ratio of 1:1. This means equal amounts of Parisian blue and white have been mixed together. The third level was Parisian blue and white mixed together in a ratio of 1:2. This means there is 2 times the amount of white than there is Parisian blue. The fourth level was Parisian blue and white mixed together in a ratio of 1:4. This means there is 4 times the amount of white than there is Parisian blue. The fifth level was Parisian blue and white mixed together in a ratio of 1:8. This means 8 more times white has been mixed into Parisian blue. The sixth and final level was Parisian blue and white mixed together in a ratio of 1:16. This means 16 times more white has been mixed into Parisian blue.